What is up, Midway Mayhem fan? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. Hopefully we see some testing. Let's go! Ticket windows are not too busy. There was no way to get through a temperature check or security. Front entrance looks to be the same. Yep, no way to get through, and we are on our way. There's Icebreaker, and I can see a train in the maintenance area. That must mean the other one is inside the station. Alright, and here is a closer view from across the lake, and as we can see, some people walking up the exit ramp. Hopefully we're going to have some testing coming up very shortly. What is this that I see? Scaffolding up around the sign area and a cover over something that could be potentially the sign? Yep, there's the Icebreaker trains. We have the one in the maintenance area, other one in the station does not have test dummies, and there's a lot of yellow vests in that station.
Stop by the Welcome Center at the front of the waterfront to find out.
Of course, the pathway over here by Wild Arctic is open for Seven Seas Food Festival. We do have those tents that are over the pathway, so they can do ride testing. Still no nets. Just awesome views of this coaster, though. I know it might not be much, but the sprinklers are on. Remember, Seven Seas Food Festival is going on, and we just got the brisket tachos. Look at that. Wow. Here's our second test run of the day that we have seen. No test dummies in this train. And I don't think the backs of the seats are on. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks different. We also have those little side fins on the side of the seats. They're on there now. Another test run. And here it comes. Launch 3. so there we go, another test run, this one at night, and still the same train, does not have any test dummies, does not have any backs on the seats, but we're making runs. Launch 2, let's see how well it does, gets up there. Launch 3 coming back right now, going way up the spike. And launch 4, so let's get it over the top. There it goes. Up and over. Well, it's after 6 p.m. and the park is closed. They're clearing out certain areas of the park. And, well, we did see Icebreaker run, but it's going to be tough to get some views today. However, pass holder night is going on, so we'll probably see it run again. Of course, it's always a good day when we can check up on our pink chickens. Yes.
Frank.
Frankly, he doesn't give a damn.
No, he does not.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker, and I am so happy that we had a chance to see it testing. Of course, we had one train in the maintenance area, one train in the station, and it made a bunch of test runs. We are getting very, very, very close to hopefully an opening for this. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.